Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to re-add the safely remove hardware button. So you might have wondered, when you stick in the USB stick, for example, I'm now putting the USB stick in the laptop, but nothing happens. The icon, so you see here the USB stick has been recognized, but the icon to remove the USB stick doesn't appear. So how do you set it back? First, you go to taskbar settings, and here you should go to taskbar and click on select which icons appear on the taskbar. Here you can find the safely remove hardware and eject media icon, and you select it back on, and that should resolve it. So now we have the icon back here, and we can eject the USB disk. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.